Hello! Welcome ulit sa kusina ni Mrs. O. Today, it's another kind of dip. No? So parang, it's called guacamole. No? It's a Mexican dish. Only because somebody gave me avocados. To engineer Sheila, thank you. I think galing to sa farm nila. Ang ganda ng avocados niya. Wala masyadong veins. No? So basically, we're just gonna squash it all together. Make a really good guacamole and serve it with tostitos or potato chips. No? So anyway, of course, I will admit, this one, I'm using this. Pero, if you go to the grocery, meron ata yung tinatawag na taco seasoning. Yun, you can use taco seasoning. But for me, I'm just gonna be using the chili lime. This is from Trader Joe's, so you can use that. Normally, when I make my guacamole, I put sour cream. But, number one, parating hindi available ang sour cream. It's so challenging to get. Or, if it's not masyadong near expiration or medyo ang mahal, I'm just gonna be teaching you a cheaper toasting of sour cream. So, first is, you need cold cream. I cannot emphasize it enough. You need cold cream, and this is calamansi. So, what I will be doing is, I will be mixing it up. And watch the texture, no, of how it goes. It's actually thicker than sour cream. Sour cream is a little bit thinner. So there. So look at that. Okay. Yeah, sour cream. So I'm just gonna whip it up. And then I will slowly add the calamansi. Can you see how thick it has become? Yeah. So yun na yung aking sour cream. Just all-purpose cream and calamansi. Easy versus you pay how much, no, for sour cream. You can just use it this way. Easy breezy. So I'm just gonna add this up. The chili lime. Chili lime. I highly suggest you buy the taco seasoning. Kung wala, you can probably put cumin, a bit of pepper. So this one, so ready na ang ating sour cream. I'm just gonna make sure I'm gonna have enough salt, no, for this one. So we want the lime taste. Okay. And then, I'm gonna use spoon and a fork. I'm just gonna scrape it all. And you'd want to taste the chunky, you know, the avocado. You'd want it to be chunky pa, na parang hindi sobrang smooth, na parang galing box, no, or bottled, no. You'd want to taste the chunkiness. Actually, nandiyan na yung bisita. So, sinerve na muna namin yung sandwich. Hinihintay na to para matikman. Ang ganda ng avocado. Very nice. I think I'll have it for breakfast tomorrow. Yeah. Tomorrow, brekkie ko to. Ang sarap to. Look at that. So nice. So, I just added salt. I didn't really put pepper kasi we're gonna put sili anyway. There you go. From here, I'm just gonna squash it. There you go. And I'm actually just gonna serve it in this bowl. So, what happens, kunyari, wala kayong calamansi, you can use lemon or you can use lime. No? So, here, oh, look at that. So, I put it there. So, medyo chunky pa siya. I'm adding sili. This is siling Misha Carolina Reaper. And then, of course, we're gonna add a lot of the red onions there. I'm gonna chop some tomatoes. Tinatanggal ko lang yung dito. Okay. Ooh, ang sarap na to. Ang sarap because it's raining. Ang sarap manood ng Bridgerton sa Netflix. That's exactly what I'm gonna do. I'm done with Queen of Tears. I just have to finish now Bridgerton. So, break muna ako sa Korean because I'm watching British telenovela. So, anyway, so there. Okay lang, may konting seeds na natira. Huwag tayo masyadong mabother doon. Hindi naman tayo restaurant. Hindi naman tayo kailangan perfect. Diba? Sa bahay lang tayo. So basically, tinatanggal ko lang yung sa dulo, yung stem galing. I just don't want that kasi matigas siya. So I'm just taking out a bit of the seeds. What do you do with those seeds? You can actually make it into a sauce. No? So, yung tatapunin yan. Pwede pa nga pag nagluto kayo ng afritada, ihalo, no? So, imagine this is no cooking. Okay, I'm just adding a little bit of this is just a little bit of calamansi. So, that's about 2 teaspoons, no? I'm just mixing it all up. It smells good. It just needs a little bit of salt. And I'm just gonna add more tomatoes only because Len likes tomatoes. Kaya ko siya hindi linagay yung seeds kasi ma-affect yung texture ng avocado, no, or ng guacamole. It's not gonna be pasty. Parang masyado magiging matubig or hindi siya pasty tingnan. Kasi you have to remember, i-dip mo siya. Baka mamaya parang ano na lang siya, cream. Yan. Yung kumukuha sa akin, excited na tikman ng guacamole. Kasi ang request niya is spinach dip, except masyadong mataas ang costing. Later on, gagawin natin yung spinach dip. Maybe if we have a party. Kasi it's we'll be using blue cheese. Napaka-easy to do, especially if the avocados are in season. There you go. And since binigyan kami, we are so lucky. Okay, so here you go. And then this one, remember, look at this cream, how nice, huh? Look at how beautiful our sour cream is. Diba? So I'm just gonna be adding the cream. Yeah. A little bit with the guacamole. Just gonna add this. Of course, ako yung taste tester kung okay na yung salt. Look at that. Didip ko. Top. I think I'm gonna add more salt actually. So good. And now, this is our guacamole. Let me look for a nice bowl para magmukhang Mexico. Like this. Or cilantro. So I'm just gonna put it in the middle and make it with 2 kinds. Daming nakaabang. Let me get my gloves. Para tayo ay hygienic. Ha? Kaya, alam mo ang smallest size namin dito sa bahay L. So here, ito ata, it's made out of corn. This is traditional. There you go. So if you want it more spicy, go ahead. You can just add more siling labuyo. But me, I want it a little bit more creamy, na malain, but not runny. No, so it's still, look at it, it's still a bit thick. So you could just serve it that way. So this is our guacamole, especially if the avocados are in season. So you just put it here. There you go. Yummy. Enjoy. And see you soon here sa kusina ni Mrs. O.